Assalamualaikum. Hi. Welcome to the next topic, time. Do you still remember this building? This is our school. Sekolah Kebangsaan Jalan 3 was built in 1995. So it's about 25 years. This school has been established for 2 decades and 5 years. How about this building? This is Sultan Abdul Samad building. It was built in 1894. So in 2019, the age of the building was 1 century, 2 decades and 5 years. Today we are going to learn on how to convert units of time. Do you still remember how many minutes in 1 hour? How many seconds in 1 minute? How many days in 1 week? How many days in 1 year? How many years in 1 decade? How many years in 1 century? Converting units of time. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 year equals 365 or 366 days. 1 decade equals 10 years. 1 century equals 100 years. And 1 century also equals to 10 decades. Look at these examples. How many years in 2 decades? Remember, 1 decade equals to 10 years. So 2 decades equals to 2 times 10 years equals to 20 years. Look at the second example. How many decades and years in 45 years? Remember, 1 decade equals to 10 years. So 45 years means 40 years plus 5 years. 40 years equals to 4 decades. So the answer is 4 decades and 5 years. Look at these examples. How many years in 4 centuries? Remember, 1 century equals to 100 years. 4 centuries equals to 4 times 100 years equals to 400 years. Next. How many centuries and years in 509 years? Remember, 1 century equals to 100 years. 509 years equals to 500 plus 9 years. 500 years equals to 5 centuries. So the answer is 5 years, 5 centuries and 9 years. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.